Happy Saturday. It is another beautiful day here in Orlando, Florida. Actually, I'm not in Orlando. I am in Tampa today. Down here, my husband and I are going on this yacht. It's the Yacht StarShip right there. And there's actually a group of people who look like they're celebrating a party. I am on this ship to celebrate my husband's 45th birthday. His birthday is on Wednesday, but we're gonna do a little bit of the celebrating today. So I'm gonna take you along with me. I have never been on this yacht before. This yacht is a 2-hour tour of Tampa, and there's a buffet. So I heard they feed really good food, or they give you really good food. Let me get out the road. Really good food, entertainment. So there's supposed to be a DJ. And we're gonna see how this is. So I'm gonna take you with me. Let's go. Oh, see, the same thing happened. People just start skipping.
See?
Hello.
For you too.
Yes.
All right. Just need a quick look in your purse. Perfect.
Thank you.
Alrighty, enjoy, guys.
Hello.
Hello, you guys. Just gonna wind you down really quick here. All right.
Thank you.
Oh yeah. Bayfront Inn has availability and they're really good prices.
Actually, everyone's picture, so if I can get one group at a time, step right on that black mat. One group at a time.
We're able to fit it. Ready? All right. We're getting on the boat. Let's see how this goes. We had to stop and take our picture, as you saw, so definitely will be buying that. Hello, good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Welcome aboard.
Thank you. All right.
So take us to the host inside of the seat.
Perfect.
Hello. How are we doing?
Good. How are you?
Good. Thank y'all for cruising with us. I'll get y'all right to your seat.
Yes.
So, take this ticket, head right up the stairs. The host will show you to your seat, and happy birthday. Hi, welcome. How are you doing? Happy anniversary.
Hi. How are you?
Good, how are you?
Good.
Good, have a pleasant cruise.
Thank you. Hello. Good. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
46, we're gonna go this way.
All right.
Your bathroom's right here, just so you know. And then
Perfect.
the up there.
Okay.
How's your guys' day going? Pretty
Doing good. Thank you.
Are you guys celebrating anything?
Yes, my husband's birthday.
Happy birthday. Here, right here.
Thank you.
Enjoy it all. Yeah.
Get a video before everybody gets on. It looks like we're on the second floor, which is really nice. Oh, it feels so good in here. Nice and air conditioned because it was so hot outside. Ooh, look at that. He's putting some waffles in. Nice. Ooh. Thank you. Yeah, I'm excited. Hey, good. Thank you. Yeah, he went to the restroom. Thank you. Okay, appreciate it. So far so good, and I wanted a window seat. Looks like that's all they have on this floor anyway, but definitely wanted to be able to see the water.
Thanks, Ryan.
Yeah.
Hi, Mom. Have we ever dined with us before? First time?
First time.
Well, welcome. My name is Zadia. We're going to take care of you today.
Thank
You have a celebration package. You should have gotten a little, like ticket attached to your
Oh,
ticket.
yes, yes.
So that's going to be good for either 2 premium drinks, so one
Okay.
step above house, but you do have a house package already included. So you can choose to either use that with me, or when you go upstairs, you can use it with that bartender as well. So you don't have to make the decision. Or if you want something different, we don't offer dessert for the brunch, but you can trade in that ticket for dessert. We have cheesecake.
Oh, that's
So you don't have to
good.
make a decision right now.
Nice.
It is buffet style for the brunch today. It is open between now and about 1:50.
Okay.
We got back at 2:30 today. And then you can order your drinks for me. I'll bring it to the table for you, clear your plates. Then later on, you guys will get to check out that third deck.
Okay, cool.
Okay, I got you.
Thank
and
you
then if
so
you guys
much.
need anything, I'm not around, just flip it to the SOS side.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah, got you.
So we get these tickets here that shows for brunch, and then this ticket here for the photo. This is for us to get our photo that we took when we first got on. But these two tickets here, you can either get an alcoholic beverage or you can get a dessert, and we chose the dessert. She's explained the table and the system to us. If we need something from her, we would put up this SOS on our table. But other than that, we keep it flipped to this side. Let's go get some food. On this side is scrambled eggs. And then what is this? This is Cajun skillet potatoes over there. Let's try some potatoes. All right, then we have some country pork sausage and some bacon, some ravioli caprese. Let's try some bacon. We have white cheddar grits. All right, y'all, you know you can't get grits from anywhere, but we're gonna try these grits since they have cheese in them. Let's see what else we want. Then they have this pot roast Benedict. Don't want that. They have a pork and biscuit. No, thank you. Fresh catch of the day. Ooh, some salmon. Let's try that. Fresh cut of the catch of the day. Should be really fresh. All right, and of course we have some fruit, but I'll come back for fruit, put it on a separate plate. There's waffles from earlier. Let's get some waffles. Let's choose this one. Looks like we have some whipped cream. Let's put some whipped cream on it. And then this looks like some strawberry puree. More pastries there. Looks like they have some shrimp as well. All right, I think we're good for this first plate.
Bring it right over.
Thank you. Time to eat. here.
And I have a birthday in the crowd. I want to give a shout out. Happy birthday to our beautiful lady in the white. Happy birthday. Trust me, don't worry, we're gonna turn up. I just gotta start us off slowly, don't worry.
Okay, we're out here on the aft. This is where the DJ is. We just pulled out not too long ago, so just out here enjoying ourselves. Okay, here's the other boat that you can go on. It's the Craft, which they board in the same area as the Yacht StarShip. I think our boat is much nicer than the Craft, but we might try that next time. Okay, let's take a tour of the rest of the boat. We're basically seated in the back of the boat there. They're celebrating their 70th birthday party. All right, let's go this way, take the stairs. Looks like they have an elevator, and the restrooms. Okay, I hear the music up here. This must be the way, the other way to get to the DJ. Okay, I thought this was gonna take us to the front of the boat. Hey! Okay, so this is for crew only. So here's the wine room. This is the grand ballroom.
I think that I'd rather do that because maybe it's gonna
Here's the bathroom. Not bad. 3 stalls. And it's clean, so that's always good. It's all over the place. We're going back to shore. Only con I would say is that I wish it was longer. Thank you. This photo came with the celebration package. Nice.
You said chocolate cheesecake.
I said chocolate, yeah.
I said chocolate cake too.
Thank you.
grab the other chocolate.
Okay,
Just leave it on the table.
yeah, why not? We'll try it.
I'll be right back with the other chocolate.
Thank you. All right, got the chocolate and an extra cheesecake. Okay, we're coming back ashore, and I really enjoyed this cruise. It was 2 hours long, and basically we had all-you-can-eat food buffet. The package I got was the complimentary package. Actually, I think it's called the complete package because it's my husband's birthday, so I made sure we had dessert at the end. You could choose a drink if you wanted or dessert. We we chose the cake and the cheesecake as you saw. The food is unlimited. You can eat for the whole 2 hours that you're out here. And then of course they have a DJ on the third deck. They have the games and different things like that that you've seen earlier in the vlog. So I would give this a 10 out of 10. Like I said, I wish it was a little bit longer. But other than that, it was really good. So if you're in Tampa, Florida, looking for somewhere to come have brunch or dinner, I highly, highly, highly recommend the Yacht StarShip. Thank you. That's where I wanted to get. That's where we were supposed to go, babe. Yeah. Yeah.
How was everything, guys?
It was good. Thank you very much.
How's it going, y'all?
And after you get off the boat, they give you a chocolate chip